Enjoying your Christmas present? I put bird seeds in that tissue paper and... Oh. Did it fall down? Did it fall down? Do you want Mommy to go get it for you? Do you want Mommy to go get it? Yep, that was his last present. He emptied it out. Here you go, baby. Knock yourself out. He's like, oh, oh, present, present. You enjoying yourself, baby? It's my little baby enjoying his Christmas present. He's finally figured out that there's seeds in there. There's seeds in there, boy. That's a silly baby. Such a silly baby. In case you're wondering, that background music is Don't Starve Together. I'm playing it while he's playing with his present. Or eating it, in fact. Aww. It's gonna go on the floor again. Uh-oh! There it went. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Don't knock it on the floor again. Doesn't care. He's just like, all I care about is seeds. I just want seeds. He's a seedaholic. Be funny if he got his head stuck in there. He's gonna fall on the floor. You're a goofball. You silly goose. You silly goose. That good stuff? Is that good stuff? Yeah. Boop your butt. It's like, nope. Goofball. It's so silly. I should make more of these more often. Such a goofball. I bet if my smoky budgie was real, he'd be doing exactly the same thing. Going, ooh, seeds! Must have. No, actually my smoky budgie likes cookies. He raids the cookie jar. That and steals my keys. If anything, this would be Smoky Budgie going after his cookies. You like your bird seed, don't you, baby? You like your seeds, don't you? Just picking up the crumbs. All the leftovers. All the stuff he missed.